Lissa's having her close-up. Hello, my name's Lissa, and I'm eating my sock. See, I pulled it off my foot. So I'm just sitting here playing with my sock. Oh, that's Kate, my cousin, who's being whiny. I'm trying to make him feel better by giving him my sock, but he doesn't like it very much. So I decided to play with it. He's really getting angry now. Oh well. Where'd my sock go? Oh, that tastes bad. Ew. Hey, do you want the sock? Okay. No. Okay, my sock. You want the sock, Kate? No? Okay, my sock. Ooh, my lamb. My lamb. Kate, it's okay. Hi, Peter Duck. Okay. He is being really crabby. What?